morning and welcome to our conference on positive school climate and school success. As Mickey told you, I'm Jill Spineti, the president of the Governor's Prevention Partnership, and it's my great pleasure to welcome you to what I hope will be a fulfilling, exciting, and meaningful day. Our purpose today is to explore ideas and share resources for preventing bullying and in the context of creating positive school climates. Last year, when the Governor's Prevention Partnership merged with Operation Respect, we renewed our long-standing commitment to schools and communities and to our work in preventing bullying and violence in schools. Since the merger, we have worked to develop strong relationships with several organizations, including the Connecticut Commission on Children and the State Department of Education. And together over the last year, we have been working to develop a set of resources so that school administrators and staff can have easy access to tools and information that they can put right to use. So today is not so much of a launch for us, but a celebration and a recognition of all the prevention work that has gone on before this. I think we're fortunate to live in a state that is committed to prevention. We have leaders with foresight to pass laws and advocate for programs and resources that protect our children from bullying and other violence in school buildings and in communities. We have great teachers, principals, guidance counselors, and other school staff who care deeply about children and students and who want to ensure a nurturing environment where every child feels safe and nurtured. Collectively, we've been working on prevention of bullying and violence and on creating positive school climates for many years, and much work has already been done. Unfortunately, the media grabs our attention quite regularly about the tragic consequences of bullying that has not stopped. We have heard about and mourned the loss of Phoebe Prince from Massachusetts, John Carmichael from Texas, and other children who suffered terribly at the hands of children who teased and tormented them until they decided to take their own lives. These tragedies shake us up and hopefully motivate us to take action. Most bullying incidents don't make it into the news, and there are thousands of children here in Connecticut and everywhere who are too afraid to go to school and too afraid to speak up. They suffer, and we have to reach them, even if it is one child at a time. We're committed to building a support network here in the state so children will have their needs met, and that our schools and communities will be safe and nurturing places where we can accept and embrace diversity. And I know that you want that too, which is why you're here today with us. So I hope that during the day today we'll explore new ideas, build relationships, and hopefully be inspired to make changes both in the way we interact with each other and our students and creating better climates in our school buildings and communities. The Governor's Prevention Partnership builds public-private partnerships in order to create resources for prevention. And I'd like to acknowledge our major funder who's with us here today, and that's the Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services. And this department has embraced prevention work in schools for many years, and I'm very pleased that we have Dawn Brodsky and Andrea Duarte with us this morning. Thank you both for coming. We know that we have the will here in the state to protect bullying, but we're lacking the financial resources. Our board of directors and staff are committed to identifying private resources, raising funds, leveraging support, and maintaining sustainability for this important work.